I am so excited. I got a new vacuum. Yep, a canister vacuum. I've never owned one of those before. I always owned a stand-up vacuum. But on my trip to the Airbnb, I found this beauty in the closet and I tried it and did a little demo. Even though all of the demo got didn't get through, I still did a little demo. You could check back. It's called Airbnb vacuuming. But yes, I fell in love with the suction on the vacuum, especially the hose. And I said, I went to Walmart the other day and I saw it and it was for a reasonable price. I think it was 58.88 Canadian. But I said, let me pick it up because I want to do some mess test demos with it. And I think it would be perfect for the sounds of what goes up in it, especially the coins. But yes, I wanted to do a demo for you guys with this. So it'll be coming up soon. So stay posted. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to me now. Press the bell if you want to see it right away. Can't wait to use it. Power Force bagless canister vacuum. The suction was wonderful. I can't wait. See you guys soon.